My name is John Brams. I'm the Director of Hospitality and Venues for Enterasys Networks. My team specifically focuses on implementing solutions in the hospitality and venue space. Majority of my team's time now is spent in the stadium and arena market. The reality is, in these environments right now, it's an expectation that you can connect. And that could be, in a stadium environment, you want access to social media. You want access to be able to post a picture to Facebook. And the challenge in these environments is that the cellular systems that are installed just simply don't have the capacity. They don't have the capacity to keep up with the applications. So in order to drive and deliver that true experience that users really expect, you have to put the right infrastructure in place to help you do that going forward. In these environments, in particular, any environment where there's a lot of people in a small enough space, the expectation now is that they can have connectivity. And I always use the example, if you go to a university the size of, let's say, University of New Hampshire, for example, is a good case study. The same amount of people on that entire campus are going to try to access the network in this stadium at the same time. So that's spread out over several acres versus being in a small footprint here. So the challenge within that space is not coverage, it's a density issue. So we've designed our solutions on several different levels, meaning the antennas, the access points, the connectivity, to really solve those issues. And it's purpose-built exactly to do that. The solution I put in place in UNH has a lot of similarities to what we did here, but there has to be some specific tweaks on the technology side to really make that work. And it's from the antenna development, it's how you authenticate users and identify them, fingerprinting. If you come here to Gillette, the great thing is you know all this unique information about your customer base. And that's stuff they simply didn't have access to before. I know what my user looks like, I know what applications they're using, I know where they're located within the stadium, and now as an organization I can take that information and do intelligent things with data. So now that I know that person's located in a specific area, maybe I want to push a coupon to them, or I want to provide them differentiated services that they can only get here in the stadium. So one thing that's really unique to Enterasys is you can put a solution in place and solve the connectivity issues, but the real advantage is that we provide all that back-end data and analytics that really helps you to unlock and sort of monetize the network.